everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout today. And today I am scrapbooking a picture of some soup I made last fall. I did a minestrone soup and it was so good, but it was beautiful as well. That pop of spinach in there. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. So not that I want soup right now because it's hot here, but I wanted to get, I'm inspired to scrap what I'm inspired. So fall when it's hot out. So I started out with that background paper, that orange dot paper from Echo Park I Love Fall. It's the Elements of Fall paper. And then the plaid paper comes from Echo Park Happy Fall. It's the journaling cards paper. I'm using a miscellaneous journaling card from Ellie Studio. And then I'm using some stickers here, or some die cuts here, which is the Get Cozy and the Happy Fall. And those are from Echo Park Happy Fall frames and tags. And then I'm playing, I've got some Amy Tangerine stickers left from her late afternoon collection, the copper foil stickers. And I have some, they're not really brads, but they look like brads, but they are kind of stickers from Simple Stories. And those are the Simple Stories Hello Fall self-adhesive brads. And I'm working on using those pieces up. There's not much of either of them left. So I'm trying to, be cognizant of when I do some of these layouts, let's use these things up because I love them and I want to look at them in my book, not let them languish in my staff. Yeah, stash, not staff. My goodness. All right. So I'm liking how this is kind of coming out, even though like the patterns on those two hearts from the late afternoon collection don't exactly completely match anything else that's on there. They're both kind of floral and matte, work with that. And I just like how they look. The colors definitely match. I also decided I needed something at the top left of that photo there. So I grabbed that chipboard leaf from the Echo Park Happy Fall chipboard accents. And I think that sort of helps there. Plus I have the sticker, that gold sticker there that says, love this. I wanted to bring more of the gold in from that background paper. And that came from the late afternoon collection. I have a couple of them. I have another one there that says, afternoon, because I was making this, so that's why I did the afternoon. So I just put a couple things, and I put an arrow down there of some things from that late afternoon collection that I thought, those stickers that I thought might work on this layout. I'll sometimes do that. I did the same thing with the brads as well, just kind of like, if I can, let's get some things in. I do like that little hedgehog from the Happy Fall chipboard accents, but I wasn't loving how that was working. And he's just there because he's cute. This is where I find the heart. Sorry, I was thinking I had already put this heart on. So I didn't like the hedgehog with that heart. And I wanted to use that brad up. The hedgehog will live to see another day in a scrapbook layout. Okay, there we go. Now I'm liking that cluster a little bit better. I do want it to get a little more horizontal there though and take up some more of that white space. So I grabbed that arrow from the late afternoon collection. And then I'm adding in that love this and then the afternoon sticker, which you'll see in just a minute, the fall. So it's got a real cozy sort of fall vibe to it. Thus the name of the layout, plus the layout, plus the fact that I have the oh, I just lost my train of thought. Never mind. It's fine. I don't remember if I told you where that banner was from. It's from the Happy Fall Frames and Tags die cuts. So just in case I didn't, it's there. And I believe I used my last brad up from that Simple Stories collection with this layout. So that made me really happy. I was thinking about doing a title, but then I decided I didn't really need one because I had the Get Cozy, and I liked that being the sort of theme of this layout, and just using the not breaking up. Where a lot of times I like to use something to break up where the two papers meet, but I really liked these two together and didn't think I needed to do that. All right, guys, so here I'm playing around with adding in, do I want another leaf in there? Because I have the leaves, you know, the leaf in the brad and the leaf in the chipboard, and then there's leaves up in that happy fall, but I didn't like how that extra little chipboard leaf worked. So now I am going to add some more dimension. Surprise, surprise. I'm going to add some enamel dots there from the Altenew Green Fields collection. So they are a woodsier green, kind of to match. There's that kind of green in the background there, plus that's what that 3x4 card is. So I'll just add. It's so funny because I did them in the two I decided to do them in the bottom right and top left embellishment clusters, but didn't do them in the middle one. I don't even remember why I didn't do that, or if I just plain forgot, but I'm okay. I'm looking at the layout and it looks fine. So I'll just leave it that way. There we go. I don't know if I tried putting them on. We'll see. Let's do a little tuck in here. I don't remember if I tried putting them on and I didn't like them, or if I just decided design-wise not to do it. It's been a couple weeks since I've done this layout. That often happens. Yeah, I think I just forgot. All right, here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout. Bye, everybody.